Finally! Finally we're here! In the jungle! Aren't you excited to see the animals? Oh yeah! Yay! No, I want my phone. I want my game. Now!
Hello, big boys and dazzling daisies. I'm Frank, the forest ranger.
Hello, Frank! This is Betty, and I'm Lisa myself.
Hello. He's Sean, and I'm Paul.
So, I'll be a guide today. I'll be a friend today, taking you through this jungle. Shall we start our ride?
Yes, I'd love to.
The first sight is the beautiful sight, the lovely deer.
Wow! Don't they look pretty? Oh yes, they do. Can we touch them, please?
Oh, that you can. Sorry, girls. Look who's here.
The bunnies! Can we take them home? Please?
Sorry, girls. You can only watch.
Hey, look about! A bunch of monkeys! They're so flexible!
Hey Paul, look! Look over there. What? Where? The kangaroos are running and jumping fast. Oh yeah!
Betty, look! The magical kangaroos!
Yeah, but be wary. Their punches and kicks can knock any person off.
Oh! And they have their babies in their pouch. Lovely!
What do you see there, kids?
No, we can't see anything. Oh, so tall they are. But do they only eat leaves?
Yeah, you're right. They're herbivores. Though they look so tall and gigantic, they only eat leaves. Guys, do you see the zebras there?
Oh yes, black and white stripes. Like in the pedestrian crossing.
Huh, that's why they call it the zebra crossing. Right.
Can you see something there?
Looks like the eyes of some animal. Yeah, they seem to be...
A crocodile. What else would be there in a river? Exactly.
No, looks like a bigger animal with the ears out as well. It should be a hippopotamus. Absolutely. And look over there. The crocodiles are lying. They look dangerous.
Yeah, but as long as we do not go near them, we are safe.
Oh my god, the elephants! Look at the trunk, so long!
So what's a group of elephants called?
A group?
A bunch?
A group of elephants is known as a herd.
Oh, a herd.
That's a rhino right there.
Yeah, they eat bushes and grass mostly.
But they look so huge.
Yeah, they look dangerous with their horns as well.
Again, unless you go near them, they won't harm you. And yeah, they weigh over 1,500 pounds.
Oh, so strong.
Yeah, and they can run really fast at over 50 km per hour.
Oh, wow.
Boys and girls, now that's the fastest animal on land.
Oh my god! Are we really seeing a cheetah? Wow, wow, oh wow!
Look at these spots. So beautiful. And look at the yellow eye. Attractive.
You're very lucky, guys. Today you have seen it all. Just missed on the king of the forest. Maybe another day.
Is this real? Not sure, Paul.
There's the mighty king.
It was great having you kids on board. I must say that you guys were lucky enough to see all the animals.
Thank you so much, Frank. We had a great time seeing and learning about all these animals.
That's fantastic, Betty and Lisa. And what about the boys? Do you still want your phone?
No, not now, definitely. Frank, we're really sorry for our behavior in the beginning. And thank you for guiding us through all the animal sights. An unforgettable day.
Great, and always be kind to animals, be it wild or domestic.
Sure, Frank. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye.
See you all.
Hi kids. My friends and I hope that you liked this video. Subscribe to Whoopah Loopah for more.